Today, we explore how toothpaste is made inside a modern manufacturing factory. Toothpaste production begins in a highly controlled and hygienic environment.
All raw materials are carefully stored and prepared before production.
Calcium carbonate is used as a mild abrasive to clean teeth effectively. Glycerin and sorbitol keep toothpaste smooth and prevent it from drying.
Each ingredient is tested to meet strict quality standards.
Precise measurements ensure consistent toothpaste quality. Computer systems control every step of the formulation process. Approved ingredients move toward large industrial mixers. This is where toothpaste production truly begins. Ingredients are blended inside powerful mixing tanks.
Solid and liquid components are added in a precise order.
The mixture slowly transforms into toothpaste paste.
Mixing speed and temperature are carefully controlled.
The smooth paste flows through sealed pipelines.
Automation ensures uniform texture and consistency.
Finished paste is transferred into storage tanks.
Technicians continuously monitor the mixing process. The paste must be perfectly smooth and bubble-free. These tanks hold toothpaste before final processing.
Flavoring agents are added to improve taste.
Mint flavor gives toothpaste its refreshing sensation.
Flavors are blended evenly into the paste.
Color additives give toothpaste its familiar appearance.
Some toothpastes feature multicolored stripes. Special nozzles create perfect stripe patterns. Timing and pressure must be precisely controlled.
Cameras inspect color accuracy in real time.
Only approved batches move forward.
The toothpaste is now ready for packaging. Empty tubes are fed into the filling line. The empty tubes are precisely aligned, ready for the filling process to begin. Measured amounts of toothpaste are injected into each tube with extreme accuracy. This high-speed system fills hundreds of tubes every minute. The smooth consistency ensures uniform quality in every tube. Once filled, the tubes move forward for sealing. The open ends are sealed using controlled heat and pressure. This process locks freshness inside the tube.
Sealed tubes are cooled to stabilize their shape.
Machines orient the tubes for the next stage.
Each toothpaste tube is marked with batch codes and expiry dates.
Automated cameras verify printing accuracy. Any defective tube is instantly removed. Only approved products move forward. Next, tubes are prepared for packaging. Cartons are formed automatically from flat sheets. Each tube is placed carefully inside its box. The boxes are sealed securely.
Packaged products move toward final inspection.
Quality checks ensure flawless packaging.
Weight need sensors confirm correct filling.
Approved cartons receive final clearance. Products are grouped for bulk packing.
Smaller boxes are packed into shipping cartons.
Shipping boxes are sealed for transport.
Each box is labeled for tracking. Robots stack boxes efficiently on pallets. The pallets are wrapped for protection. Forklifts move the finished goods. Thousands of units await distribution.
Digital systems manage inventory in real time.
Orders are prepared for shipment.
Products are loaded carefully for transport.
The shipment is secured.
Toothpaste begins its journey to stores.
This modern facility operates with precision. Skilled teams oversee every process. The final product meets strict standards. Quality you can trust reaches consumers.
Thanks for watching Prodxveiw. Subscribe for more amazing factory processes.